Hi, good morning to one and all. In this session, I may explain how to construct involute of a pentagon. Okay, here the problem given that draw the involute of a regular pentagon of side 25 mm. Draw the tangent and normal to the curve at a distance of 100 mm from the center of the pentagon. Okay, first we need to construct pentagon with 25 mm. Okay, here we know that the side length, by using side length we can draw the pentagon by using angular method. Okay, first I am drawing the pentagon with given side length 25 mm. Okay, this point is A and this one is B. Okay, next by using protractor, okay, measure 72 degrees because 360 degrees by 5, number of sides is 5. Okay, by simplifying this expression 72 degrees. Okay, so that we need to draw the at point A, mark the 72 degrees. Okay, similarly at point B we need to measure 72 degrees from left side. Okay, next draw the extension lines on this line. Next, with radius B as center, BA as length, BA as radius, B as center, cut this arc with the same radius, A as center, cut this line. We will get point A, B, C, D, and this one is E. Okay, next draw the bisection line for BA. Here BA is 25, so that the midpoint is 12.5, that is 10, 11, 12 and 5. Okay, draw the perpendicular line. Okay, next AE, so therefore E as center with radius 25 and same radius C as center, cut this arc, will get one point, that point is D. Okay, now we completed all the sides. Like this we need to draw. Here measure all the sides with 25 mm length. Also we can measure. Okay, now it is the correct posture. Okay, all the sides having 25 mm length. Next, draw the extension A as starting point, so that the next point is B, so that we need to extend the BC with some distance. Similarly CD, next DE, I am extending DE. Next similarly AE, I am extending AE. Next similarly I am extending BA. Okay, like this. Next we need to draw the involute by using compass. B as center, BA as radius, B as center and BA as radius. Draw the arc, it will intersect the this CB line at one point. That point is P1. Next, similarly, C as center, CP1 as radius. CP1 as radius. Draw the arc. It will intersect the CD line at one point. That point is P2. Next, similarly, D as center, P2 as radius, DP2 as radius. Draw the arc. It will intersect this DE line at one point. That point is P3. Next, similarly, E as center, EP3 as radius, EP3 as radius. Draw the arc. It will intersect AE at one point. That point is known as P4. Next, similarly, A as center, AP4 as radius. Draw the arc. It will intersect the AB line at one point. That point is known as P5. Now distance from A to P5 is 5 into 125, that is 125 mm. Okay, got exact distance. Okay, next, after completion of curve, use the dimensions. From this point to this point, the length is 125. Into 25, that equals to 125 mm. Next, this point to this point is 25 mm. Okay, next we need to draw this curve. Okay, it is the involute of a pentagon. Next, we need to draw the tangent and normal. For identifying tangent and normal, first draw the perpendicular to BA. Next, similarly, draw one more perpendicular to another side. Okay, it is the 25. Identify the midpoint of BC, it is 11, 12.5. Next, draw the perpendicular line perpendicular to this side. Okay, it will intersect the opposite corner. These two lines intersect at one point, that is the center of the pentagon. By using compass with radius 100 mm, that is 10 centimeters. Okay, with center, O as center, cut this arc at one point. Okay, it will intersect the curve at this point. This point is M. For arc P3 and P4, the center is E, so that join M and E2. It is the normal for the curve. Next, draw the perpendicular to this line, that is normal. Will get tangent, it is the tangent, and this one is normal. Okay, like this we need to construct the involute of a pentagon. Okay, with this side length 25 mm. Okay, it is involute of a pentagon. Okay, thanks for watching. It is the involute. Okay, thanks for